How to connect your Quora account with your Facebook easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Quora account with your Facebook in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Quora. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Then go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. And now you will find many options here. Choose the settings here down below in the corner, and here it will take you to this page. Now choose the first option, click on account, and right here you will find other options. Just go down, swipe down, and you will find connect Facebook account option right here. Click on it and you will be able to connect your Facebook account easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.